Perplexity AI is a next-generation search engine that leverages artificial intelligence to provide clear and direct answers to your questions. Unlike traditional search engines, which simply present lists of links, Perplexity gathers information from various sources, processes it, and delivers concise, ready-to-use answers. This service is valuable for everyone, from students and journalists to researchers, business analysts, and casual users. It's ideal for those who value their time and want accurate information quickly and conveniently. Perplexity is growing rapidly, attracting millions of users daily. This growth is fueled by active development and investment, allowing the platform to quickly expand its capabilities. The project's functionality is available as a web service and via mobile apps for iOS and Android. For PC users, there's a Chrome browser extension that lets you search and analyze pages on the web directly from the browser. All versions have a similar interface, ensuring a seamless experience of core functions, though mobile apps may have some limitations due to screen size. Let's take a closer look at the web version of Perplexity AI to better understand its functionality. Perplexity AI can be used without registration, but after several queries, you'll be prompted to create an account. Registration is simple. You can use a Google or Apple account. Once signed in, users can immediately start exploring the platform's features. Registering not only makes usage smoother, but also unlocks additional tools and customization options. The Perplexity AI interface is intuitive, even for newcomers. It combines elements of classic search engines with the conversational style of modern AI chatbots. The homepage features a search bar for query input. Results are displayed as structured answers with sources, additional details, and related queries. On the right, there are links for image and video searches, as well as an image generation feature available only to subscribers. On the left, there's a panel with several menu options: Discover, Spaces, and Library. The Discover section serves as an information hub where users can follow events, news, and trends across various topics, from finance and technology to culture and sports. It aggregates articles from reputable sources, offering quick access to structured data and brief insights. Spaces is a tool for organizing research and collaboration. It allows users to create dedicated workspaces to manage information, integrate files, set up instructions for the AI assistant, and collaborate with others. This feature is particularly valuable for team projects and in-depth research tasks. Library is a personal repository for saving and organizing information. Users can save their queries and responses, making it much easier to revisit accumulated data. Below this menu, there are links to access settings. Here, users can change the site's appearance and functionality, as well as their profile data. There's also an option to switch to incognito mode for private queries. As you may have already noticed, not all features of Perplexity AI are available for free. The service offers a choice between a basic free version and a premium subscription. The free version is suitable for standard searches, while the premium subscription, priced at $20 per month or $200 per year, grants access to advanced features such as enhanced AI models, file analysis, and image generation. It's worth noting that both the paid and free versions of Perplexity are entirely ad-free. Despite these advantages, Perplexity has its challenges. One major concern involves the use of materials from other sites. Many web resources have expressed concerns about their content being used without proper compensation. Such tools can divert users away from the sources that create original content. With the growing popularity of next-generation search engines, these challenges are becoming more pressing. Without visitors and revenue, online publications risk a decline in content quality, dependence on sponsors, or even closure. Services designed to simplify access to online information may, in fact, lead to its impoverishment and distortion. Thus, it's essential to find a balance between innovation and the interests of content creators, ensuring fair compensation for authors and fostering the creation of quality material benefits both users and the information ecosystem. Despite these issues, Perplexity AI remains a promising tool that provides quick and organized access to information thanks to cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology. Its simplicity, extensive feature set, most of which is free and ad-free, and suitability for different user types make it an appealing option for those looking to optimize their search experience.